Lighting. We're going to keep this quick. There are three types of lighting inspectable items: lighting auxiliary, lighting exterior, and lighting interior. Our lighting items and deficiencies have always been simple and low scoring. This was true under UPCS. It has not changed under Inspire. We'll take a quick look at the simplified definitions and scoring. Then we'll explore the longer versions to see if there are any nuances that we need to keep in mind. Lighting auxiliary has only one possible defect. It can be sighted inside and outside, not in a unit. It scores at about 0.54, a little more than half a point inside, and 0.49, a little less than half a point outside. Like all the other statements of scoring value in these videos, this is based on a 100-unit property where 25 units are being inspected. Deficiency 1 for auxiliary lighting says that an auxiliary lighting fixture is damaged, inoperable, or missing, or it fails to illuminate. Auxiliary lighting, of course, refers to emergency lighting systems that provide light during a power outage. These are typically battery backup units placed to light the way through common areas to an emergency exit. The longer definition reminds us that auxiliary lighting is essential to safety in the event of primary power supply failure. Common components include a rechargeable battery backup, light bulb circuits, lamps, test button, and a housing assembly. For more information, exit signs, exposed wiring, and cut hazards are related standards. Deficiency 1 occurs when auxiliary lighting is damaged, missing, or fails to illuminate when tested. Deficiency auxiliary lighting is damaged, i.e., visibly defective, or impacts functionality. It's missing, i.e., there's evidence of prior installation, but it's now not present, or it's incomplete, or it fails to illuminate when tested. For more information, a combination auxiliary light and exit sign device should be evaluated under both the lighting auxiliary and exit sign standards. In other words, we check a combined auxiliary light and exit sign for both functions, and we cite defects for both items if they fail. Exterior lighting is our next inspectable item, and of course, by definition, this applies only to the outside, not to the inside or units. On our example 100-unit property, damaged, inoperable, missing, or non-secured lighting would be worth 0.18, let's call it 0.2 of a point. This applies to fixed lighting sources, walkway lighting, light poles, wall packs, and canopy lights that illuminate exterior areas like entryways, parking lots, and exterior stairwells. This includes the condition when a light fixture is broken, not meeting its design function, with or without visible damage. This includes when a light fixture is missing, when there's evidence that it once existed, but it's now not present or is incomplete. This includes when a light fixture is not secured to its attachment point, or the attachment point is not stable. If a light fixture is controlled by a photoelectric sensor or a timer that does not permit daytime testing, then only evaluate it for conditions other than operation. In other words, if there's not an obvious light switch to turn it on and off, assume that it works on a sensor or timer. You don't have to search for a way to override it to turn it on. If a light does not illuminate, the POA, the property owner agent, may attempt to change the bulb. And of course, if it works once you've changed the bulb, then there's no deficiency. If an electrical conductor is not enclosed or properly insulated, it should then be evaluated under the electrical conductor standard. The interior lighting item addresses permanently installed light fixtures in a unit or inside. This includes track lighting, LED, incandescent, fluorescent lighting. Common materials include plastic, copper, aluminum, brass, stainless steel. Common components include fixture casing, ballast, wires, starter socket, tube receptacle, ballast attachment, screws, light posts, control switches, etc. And I'm going to rephrase the next statement for clarity. More information. If a switch is inoperable, but does not have visible damage, and the switch is known to control a specific light fixture, the deficiency goes under lighting, not under outlets and switches. In other words, we assume that the switch is operable and the problem is with the fixture. Deficiency 1. A permanently installed light fixture is inoperable, i.e., the overall system or a component is not meeting its purpose, with or without visible damage. More information: if a light does not illuminate, then the POA, property owner agent, may attempt to change the light bulb, and again, if that fixes the problem, then there's no deficiency. Deficiency 2. A permanently installed light fixture is not secure. Deficiency. A permanently installed light fixture is not secure to the designed attachment point, or the attachment point is not stable. More information: if an electrical conductor is not enclosed or properly insulated, then it should be evaluated under the electrical conductor outlet and switch standard. Notice that there is apparently no deficiency for a light fixture that is visibly damaged but still functions. However, if we observe that a broken light fixture created a shock hazard, that would go under the electrical conductor outlet switch deficiency 4. Deficiency 3 under lighting interior: insufficient illumination in the kitchen or bathroom. Deficiency: at least one permanently installed light fixture is not present in the kitchen and or bathroom. This is one of our new habitability requirements. Well, anyway, that's it for lighting. We intended to keep this one short and sweet, so I'll leave it there. Thanks for viewing.